of the holiday cheer, decorating the tree, hanging the wreaths, and enjoying family time, a special kind of magic unfolds. But hey, let's not forget the fun part of picking the right makeup look. Because honestly, what's Christmas without a bit of glamour? Hi guys, I'm Saaniya, and today I'll be showing you how to achieve a simple yet stunning holiday glam Christmas makeup look. Now before I begin, you know the drill. Make sure to subscribe to our Bebeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Starting off with priming my face using the recently launched Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Serum Primer. This multitasker combines the benefits of a primer and moisturizer, working to blur lines and pores, smoothen the skin and provide hydration and a plumped effect for that perfect makeup ready canvas. Time to apply the foundation, and my pick is the Lakme Absolute Luminous Skin Tint Foundation. This not only keeps your skin dewy, but also creates a radiant, even base with a dreamy blurred finish. Once the foundation is applied, if imperfections are still noticeable, I'll use the Lakme Absolute Instant Airbrush Concealer Pen. With a few twists, the lightweight formula smoothly glides on, offering excellent coverage and giving you a radiant airbrushed look. I won't set the base. I'm all about keeping that dewy glow intact. Time to glam up the eyes. First, prep those lids with a hint of concealer and a dusting of loose powder. Now, for a playful Christmas twist, I will create a Santa hat. Grab a red matte liquid lipstick and a thin brush. Create a sharp winged eyeliner, extending it to the inner corners. To create the ball on the hat, I will use the Lakme Glitterati Collection Shine Eyeliner in Ethereal White. And there you have it, a Santa hat eye masterpiece. For the final touch on this eye look, I'm reaching for the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. Using the wiggle and swipe technique, I'll generously apply it both on my upper and lower lashes. This mascara not only adds volume but also avoids clumping, is waterproof and resistant to smudging. After completing the eye look, I'm going to fill in my brows. Today I'm using the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. Just fill in the sparse areas and then brush your hair back with a spoolie. I love the precision I get when I use this pencil. It instantly helps create hair-like strokes that gives a natural finish. Time to bring a hint of color to my face. I've chosen the Lakme Absolute Face Stylist Blush Duos in the shade Pink Blush. Just dab it onto the center of the cheeks and blend it outwards towards the sides of the temples. And if you're a fan of that radiant lit from within glow just like me, a highlighter is non-negotiable. I'm using the highlighter from the Lakme Absolute Facelift palette. This highlighter with its cushioned soft texture seamlessly blends into my skin without any chunky appearance. Now for the grand finale, the lips. What better way to embrace the holiday spirit than with a statement red lipstick, right? And for that show-stopping finish, I've got the ideal shade. The Lakme 925 Matte to Glass Liquid Lip in Rose. This unique lip product combines vibrant matte color with a glossy finish, giving you a dynamic and eye-catching lip look. I hope you guys liked this holiday glam Christmas makeup look. Before you go, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our Bebeautiful channel and tap the bell icon so you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Wishing you all a joyous and Merry Christmas. Bye!